Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make containers in Elementor. Containers are a fundamental shift in how you build layouts, replacing the older section and column structure. They provide a much more flexible and responsive design experience, allowing you to arrange your content with greater precision. You can easily organize your widgets and even nest containers within each other to achieve sophisticated page designs, making your workflow more efficient and intuitive. To begin, simply drag the container widget from the Elementor panel directly onto your page canvas. Once added, you'll choose its direction, either a row, arranging items horizontally, or a column, stacking them vertically. Next, define its size by setting the width and height. Remember to adjust the padding and margin values to create appropriate spacing both inside and outside your container, ensuring a clean and organized layout. Once your container is in place, dive into its layout settings. You can set the content width to either boxed for a contained look or full width to span the entire screen. Crucially, you'll align items horizontally and vertically, ensuring perfect placement. Don't forget to manage item wrapping, which is vital for responsive designs across various devices. You can also add engaging background colors or images for visual appeal. For more complex designs, you can easily nest containers by dragging one inside another, building intricate layouts. Elementor also empowers you with advanced styling options. You can add custom CSS directly to your containers for truly unique visual effects. Explore motion effects, such as subtle scrolling animations or sticky positioning, to make your content more engaging. Always remember to fine-tune responsive settings to ensure your containers look perfect on every single device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.